Is your four-wheel drive not pulling up the way it's supposed to? Well, Bendix have got a full brake upgrade kit available for your four-wheel drive that'll make it stop better than it did from the factory floor. Whether your four-wheel drive is fully modified and heavier than standard, towing, or just getting on a bit and needs some love, Aussie brake company Bendix have a Bendix Ultimate Brake Kit to suit you. The kit replaces your rotors with upgraded ones that'll handle a lot more heat than standard. You'll get upgraded brake pads that provide a lot more friction, braided brake lines to give you a much better feel and reaction. Plus you get all the gear you need to fit them. Bendix have been manufacturing brake pads since 1955. Brake upgrade kits are developed, engineered, tested in its Ballarat factory. Because of this, they can constantly bring out new kits to suit most popular four-wheel drives. Whether you wheel a new model four-wheel drive or you're into rigs with a bit of history behind them, there's a good chance Bendix can stop it. Bendix really have thought about everything when it comes to their Ultimate Brake Upgrade Kit. I mean, you get everything you need, but check this out, they've even thought of the packaging because it doubles up as an ice cooler. So for many years to come, down in your shed, you can enjoy a nice cold one. So to find out more information how to get an upgraded brake kit for your four-wheel drive, go to bendix.com.au.